Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis! Aujourd'hui je vais vous expliquer une expression française. Mettre les petits plats dans les grands. So I want to explain this French expression. Les plats. Les plats in French language, this is the dish. Le plat. This is more like a plateau. Les plats in French language, this is the dish. Les plats. So for instance, you have this one here, c'est un plat. C'est un plat. Okay. Mettre les plats, mettre les petits plats, the small dish, c'est un petit plat. This is a small dish, it's small. Dans les grands plats. This is a big dish. So it means put the small dish inside the big dish. So what does it mean? It means you are not a very high level. You are a low level, normal level, and you are going to invite and you want to show that I am going to give something very big and produce something very beautiful for my host. Because I want to give him face and I want that he is pleased and I want to impress him. So I'm going to mettre les petits plats dans les grands. Les petits plats, this is the usual dish that I cook every day. Because je ne suis pas grand. I'm not very rich. I'm not very big. So every day I just eat the normal food. And I just eat les petits plats. Every day I just eat something that's small. I just eat my rice. I just eat my potatoes, you know. Dans les grands. Les grands means for today I have a host and I want to show him that I receive him well. So I will serve the big dish for him. Les grands plats today, okay? Les grands plats, so I am going to try and do all my best and put my everyday dish inside les grands plats, you know. So mettre les petits plats dans les grands, it means you shouldn't. You're trying to do all you can to make something beautiful, to make something very nice. But quite often people will say, non, ne mets pas les petits plats dans les grands. Just receive him as it is. Just do as usual. Don't try to pretend something or to be someone that you are not. Just be casual. We can eat in the kitchen. You have the host today, we can eat in the kitchen. We don't need to eat in the dining hall. You don't need to get the crystal glass or, you don't need to get the special cutlery or the crystal glass, today. Just receive him as every day. Just receive him as every day. It's casual. Ne mets pas les petits plats dans les grands. Why? So this is a traditional French expression, and it tells us a lot about the French culture. People like to honor the guest. So when you have a guest, someone's coming to your home, even you are someone that is not very wealthy, that is not, you're not living in a castle, you're going to do everything you can. Oh, I need to prepare the best dish ever. You are prepared the food for 12 hours. You're going to try and find the crystal glass, and you're trying to put the beautiful cutleries, and you're going to buy the very expensive chicken or this or meat and prepare it, and you're going to take out your best wine. Why? Because you want to honor the guest, and it will also give you face. It will also give you some face. It will the guest will be, oh, he's happy. If the guest is happy, then it's good for you. It will make you tighter with him. Maybe strengthen the friendship. But sometimes it is not good, because sometimes the guest might see you as someone you are not. Sometimes the guest might be a little bit, he's not at ease. Sometimes it's just, in fact, better to go to McDonald's or just invite in the kitchen or go outside casual or whatever, right? Okay, but that's an interesting French expression, and I hear quite often my father, he would say this to my mother. Ah, ne mets pas les petits plats dans les grands, arrête, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Fais quelque chose de simple, just prepare something easy, you don't need what are you doing with this big dish and this stuff, Il ne faut pas être trop pointilleux. Il ne faut pas être trop pointilleux. In French, we should not go too much into the details. Sometimes it's better to be like, oh, okay, never mind. You know, this is la perfection n'existe pas. Perfection doesn't exist. Perfection doesn't exist. It's not of this world. You know, so just be casual. Okay. Mettre les petits plats dans les grands. Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez? What do you think about this expression? You can leave a comment below. Laissez un commentaire. Au revoir.